Kannada actor Diganth suffered an injury in his spinal cord in Goa while he was vacationing with his family. He has now been airlifted from Goa to Bengaluru for medical treatment. Not many details about his injury are known as of now. Reports suggest that he was performing a backflip during his routine exercise when he accidentally landed on his head. He suffered an injury in his spinal cord and was immediately rushed to a hospital in Goa before being airlifted to Bengaluru. Soon after the news of Diganth's accident made headlines, fans took to Twitter to send wishes to the actor and to wish him a speedy recovery.